Hey everyone, Chell here with Prismatic Powders, and today we are going to explain why chrome powder coating needs a top coat. Now before we get into this, from here on out I'm going to be referencing Super Chrome Plus because that's our chrome powder, but this kind of goes for all chrome-like powders on the market. To my knowledge, there is no chrome powder on the market that doesn't behave in the way I'm going to explain here in a minute. Super Chrome Plus is our most chrome-like base coat and what we recommend most often as a base coat for our extensive list of transparent colors. But here's what you need to know. Super Chrome is not intended to be used as a standalone. While it looks great once it's cured, it will need a clear coat to preserve that appearance. Some companies will say that their chrome needs a top coat for exterior uses, but the reality with chrome powders is that you really need a top coat period if you want to preserve them. And the reason why is there's so much more than UV damage that can occur. There can be chemical reactions from oils on the skin or damage by cleaning products. Chrome powders just by themselves are not that resilient to withstand all the stuff that life throws at them. So unless that particular item being coated is protected like the Mona Lisa, it's gonna need a top coat. And yes, a clear coat will diminish that chrome look a little bit. And this is why on our website we show you what Super Chrome looks like with and without a clear coat so that there aren't any surprises. So what happens to the finish if you don't add a clear coat or a top coat? Well, it will begin to fade in the sun or dull and darken due to various interactions with the environment and ultimately lose its good looks and charm. It's going to turn back into the pumpkin from whence it came, and that's kind of gray. Now, whichever top coat you use is up to you and what your desired outcome is. But here's another really important nugget of information speaking specifically of Super Chrome Plus. It needs to be fully cured before you apply any top coat. If you don't, it will lose that depth and chrominess. Basically, it reverts back to the grayish state as it gels with the top coat, and it's not going to look so good. Okay, those are the things that you need to know regarding Super Chrome Plus. Hopefully it helps you and gives you great success when dealing with chrome powder coating. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.